videotaping this guy.
You think too? It's a pretty thin
Here we are in Ear Falls at my brother's David and Sue Beaudry's prop shop.
They can throw around in trees so easy.
Really?
Yeah. You can climb up that tree real quick.
Oh, there comes another one back.
So that's 8 bears now, Joe.
There's 8 bears. I'm videotaping here. And I don't see him up there anymore.
He just walked around the other tree.
Okay, when you spot him, I'm going to videotape him. So we are in Ear Falls.
I can tell he's going off this way now. Going from one tree to another. Here he comes. Oh, there he goes. Good picture. Zoom in on that one, Mom.
Okay, and I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping him.
Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah, I am. And that's how high up these bears could climb. If you see, go right up. He's right up high. And we have all these bears. We've got another one coming in. Hey Brent, turn around.
That's a different one. That's not the same as the two that were up there. He's not as small.
I wonder where he's going.
There's got to be another one up in there.
Oh,
there's
boy.
Another bear up there.
There we go.
So there's a brown one and there's another one up there. I can't see
Why did they climb so high?
Well, because they're getting away from the other guys. See the way that tree's shaking in front? That's another bear doing that. I don't know where
Okay, I can see him up there, yeah. Okay, so we've got 1.
There's a second bear up there.
2.
Where is he?
And 3. 4. We've got a sleepyhead one over there. And we've got one walking over there where Brent and Megan are. And we've got actually 2 way up high that have climbed up these trees, the 2 cinnamon bears. And there you go. There they are. There, look at that.
You see both of them?
Yeah, I can see them.
Well, there's one.
And we've got another one back there.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And there's this guy here. All at the dump. Ear Falls.
Oh, 1, 2. There's 2 there, Joe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 now.
10 bears.
Yeah, I kind of figured that one over there wasn't the same.
Oh. This guy keeps putting his head up. Oh. I've got 3 minutes now. Come on, buddy. Put your head up. Dave, don't you do that. Dave. Dave, don't challenge those bears.
No, he won't come in. He's too cocky to move.
That's a big guy right here. Okay, he's decided he wants to just park himself down.
Get back to work.
Since the blueberries aren't out, this is where they have to go for their dinner.
Are these 2 over here, Mom?
Yeah. I'm gonna get them right now. There you go.
Bill gets something in his life.